making a splash.
What? Already?
Didn't take long for the lake to notice. They were jaywalking anyway.
We're coming up to the bridge.
Hit the gas.
Shit, yeah.